Hi guys, this is Veera. So this is the second tutorial for the app map. So let's talk about what other features are available with the app map. So app map basically it supports Java 8, 11, and 17 versions. So you can see here the supported in the reference guide. So if you go to the Java, app map Java, so app map agent for Java, you can find the supported JDK versions 8, 11, and 17. Not only the web applications, it also supports the basic Java examples, but that should have either Maven or Gradle, any build tool, because we need to have a test dependency. Even if we don't have the test dependency, even if you are creating a standalone Java application, you just add the test related dependencies and run your application as the app map agent application. So let's go to the IntelliJ. I have a simple Java class employee test, which is going to make a call to the employee class. It just has a ID and employee name, where I have the setters and getter methods. And I have the employee test Java file, which is the basically the JUnit test method. And I wanted to run and identify the flow for this particular application using the app map. So just click on this run test and click on the start test ID with the app map. So it is still running. You can see it is in progress. So it is still running. So once the test case runs successfully, it should be able to generate the app map flow for our application. So now in the right side, you can see all the app maps. Since this is for the employee class and the standalone application, and for the test ID method, so it has generated the app map JSON. Just double click on that. So now we can see here. So it has the same as the web application related stuff. But here, since we are running as a standalone application, it will show our package and the name of the class file. And you can see what is the method. So the test ID is the method, which is from the test class. And so it is going to make a call to the employee, right? So if you want to see the dependency map, click on this and you can see here. So the employee test is going to make a call to the employee class. So that is what the flow that you can see here. Since we are going to make a call to the test set ID, so it will show from which class this set ID method, right? And also you can see the trace view and how much time the execution for each method you can see. So the overall execution is the 27 milliseconds, and only for the set ID, it took 16 milliseconds. So that's all, guys. The second video for the app map. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.